Hindi mo nakikita yung bibig ko, may stretch mark lang. Sir, tell me, is it your first time here in the Philippines? How many times been here?
3.
Third time. Kaya iba, di ba? Alam niyo, bobo ko. Nagtatanga-tanga lang ako sa TV. Alam niyo, bobo ko sa English. So, since your third time here in the Philippines, so, ay tumawa ako, mahirap. So, sir, what? Ay mo. Ay, ako mausap. Bakit may parang So, sir, so, what did you like that? Ulitin ko ba? Hindi pa narinig. No, sir, what do you do? Your work, your job. What's your job? Are you working? What kind of work? I'm sorry? Wow. Bakit tayo pag di natin marinig ay sorry, no? Hindi mo naman natapatan yung tao. Pero bakit ka magsosorry? Dadaan ka ba? Minsan, pag hindi mo marinig, come again. Ano to? Nakikipagtalik? Ako nag-end dito. So, hoy! 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 Puto! Putay mo! Dapat ka may kausap ako eh. Putay mo! Tsaka! Kaninang haba-haba, walang tao nito, di ka umihi. Kung kailan mo ako nakita, naihi ka. Ang kinan ko. Ano nung nakita mo ko? Eh, yun doon, iihi na ako. Baka ba? Kung tayo mo tutup, ay hindi na magsaluyo. I'm sorry. We're talking about religious. So, sir, again, what kind of work? Broker! Tangin naman namin pera yan. A broker? Good. Is that your girlfriend or your wife? Friend. What kind of friend?
Okay.
Fucking friend? Friend with Benedict? I'm sorry. I hope you don't mind. How young are you? How old are you?
27.
27. Will you please stand up? Will you please stand up, sir? Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. 27 years old and you're that big man. He's 48 is small only. 47 na kayo ng titi. Malalaki titi niya, kaya lang parang mga jellies lang yan. Hindi kagaya na sa atin, maliit lang, pero tigas ng bato. Sintatak mo ng doon sa yan. Yung girlfriend ko na, ginagawa kay Bilbon to eh. Yung minsan nagising ako sa umaga, yung tayo nakita ko nagpabalancing kasi. Ano ginagawa mo dyan? Kasi pag-gising natin sa umaga, hindi natin, tigas din. Bata pa na. Salamat ng bata. Sorry kids, we're talking about politics, okay? You think, pero ito sa akin, maliit lang po. Aminado naman ako, hindi ako nagkagaya ng balalaki dyan na nagyayaba. Pag nag-show ako, yung totoo lang sinasabi ko. Hindi ako kagaya ng balalaki dyan na pinatakin pa yung gamit dito. Tapos kung ano nung labakaran nilalagay sa dito para tapos pag nakakita ng babae, mga yan. Kulang lang sabihin, pare, kulang na, laki ng titi ko, pare. Pakialam ko sa'yo, titi mo yan, gago ka mo. Kung nalalaki yan, matisubong mo, gago. Pare, ako ko to. Ito po, maliit lang po ito. Alam sa mga babae naghahanap sa akin, maliit lang po ito. Pero ang ulo nito parang takip ng termos. Hindi kayo magkape. Pag pinapasok ko nga ito, pahalang eh. Hindi pwede pa ano, gumagano yung pepe eh. Anyway, welcome sir, welcome to the Philippines. So for how many years your friend and you been together? How many years? A few weeks together. Please, may nangyari na. Hindi, nag-away na ba kayo? A few weeks. How many weeks? Where did you meet your girlfriend or your friend?
Here.
You meet her? Kasi na? Ano, parang born again na pa. Welcome. Hindi mo ba siya boyfriend? say something about your girl.
I sang to her the whole night.
Oh, ano sabi niya? Ito, magkakasukan tayo. Can I invite you up there? You know, I'm a priest. I'm a foreign priest.
Chris, for Chris?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Look, I'm a priest. I may baptize you. I'm a priest. See? Come. I will make married with the girl. Huwag ka ginawa, di ka. Huwag ka umarte ka, aho pa sa kahirapan niya. Hindi na! Hindi ka! Music! Get right up here! Up here! Go! Huwag ka ginawa! Marami na akong kinasal dito. Okay, usok! Okay. Magsitayo ba ka? Tumayo kayo, pare ako. Putang ako. Magsitayo lahat. Magsitayo lahat. Now, what's your name again, sir?
Alex.
Alex, and you are? Angel. What a nice name. Angel. Angel of the earth. Whatever. Now, for the power of the clouds, I'm going to ask you, Alan, you love Angel? Ano? Angel? Ano ba? Tawa. Ano ba ito? What's your name? Nathan. No, Alex. You love Angel? You love for good and for good? For sex and for sex? Do as part.
What?
Do you love him?
Yes, sir.
How about you? You love Alex? Yung totoo. Love Alex?
Yes, sir.
Uulitin ko. Mahal mo ba si Alex? Wow. Come on, you're doomed. Now, you say opposite. Now I pronounce you husband and wife. Will you please stand up? Now, Alex, you may kiss your bride. Hey, people watching you. You do like this. The Filipino tradition. Yeah? And then you sit up, and then you hold, and... Okay? Now, you may kiss your bride. Music. No, you may kiss your bride. If you don't, hey, supay nyo to, ayaw mali. What do you want? You kiss the girl or the game you blowjob? You kiss. No, Nick! Ang bait naman ito. Kung gusto niya na, she'll right to kiss you. Mabait? Putang ina, hindi na bigyan niya. I don't want to kiss your friend or your girlfriend. He said that she love you. Why don't you kiss to the public?
At the hotel.
Ano ang tulak pala? Ano? For the sake of the people. What do you want? Yeah. Wait. That means yes.